Howdy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever time it is where you are. This is the Cowboy 500, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, if you want to see this particular flyer, go to cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. You will not be disappointed. Look how beautiful this is made. Or you can give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. But when you call, please leave a message. Speak clearly and slowly so we can get all your information and know when to call you back. So leave the time you would like for us to call you back. Okay, but what don't you do real quick is click on the notification bell and click on the subscribe button. Become a subscriber so you get all the important updates. Okay, also every time someone get one of these flyers from cashcowprogram.com, again, that's cashcowprogram.com, it helps support a prison ministry. Now let's get down to this business. Okay, this particular flyer, it's getting a response rate after it's being mailed about 7 to 10 business days there. And what I want you to do, I want you to imagine, just imagine, okay, 10 people responding to your flyer. 10 people responding to your flyer and sending you $500. And along with that comes 5 books of stamps. That's $5,000. And guess what? 1,000 stamps. 1,000 stamps. You can't beat that. That is so amazing. Now check this out. This is what happens. When you get started, what we're going to send to you is the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. This is a hot new marketing kit with so many additions done to it, like how I get my stamps for $28. Can you hear that? 100 stamps for $28. They're $58 for 100 stamps at the post office. Guess what I get mine for? $28. Also, what I'm going to send you is 100 hot bar leads. 100 hot bar leads, people like yourself. Let's looking at this right now, okay? A 8-day, 7-night mini vacation. That means that you get to select so many places to go to. It's just incredible. But what we're taking care of is your hotel accommodations, all right? And also $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice, $1,000 in fast food restaurants and restaurant coupons of your choice. I'm gonna let you take a look at that right now. Now let's look at this. Now this is the grocery coupons, okay? Guaranteed saving of $1,000 at grocery supermarkets, basically of your choice. My story is that I went to Walmart, went grocery shopping. She ran to, after totaling everything up, it came up to a little over $190 something, about 93, 94, maybe 92, something like that. And after I gave them the grocery coupons, I paid under $100 for my groceries, saving myself over $100. I keep myself well groomed. In that particular Walmart, they had a nail salon. I got a pedicure, manicure that same day. Later on, I went out to eat with the money that I saved. And if that could happen to me, you could do the same thing. God is not a respecter of person. What he do for me, he'll do the same thing for you. Okay? Also, right here, the fast food restaurant and restaurant coupon certificate. Take a look at this, people. Look at this. Here's some of the restaurants that you could go in, sit down and eat and just enjoy yourself. TGI Fridays, Chili's, Olive Garden, Red Lobsters, Applebee's, Sizzlers, IHOPs, Denny's, Planet Hollywood, Austin Steakhouse, Hooters, Longshore Steakhouse, Ponderosa, Okay, that's just some of the restaurants, and there's many, many more. Okay, let's look at the fast food restaurant: McDonald's, Hardee's, Quiznos, Taco Bell, Dairy Queen, Burger King, Carl Jr.'s, Jack in the Box, KFC, Wendy's, Arby's, Subway, and so many more. I'm going to give to you for joining me with the Cowboy 500 people. What other program out there is giving you so much for you investing in yourself? Look, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Together we can make this thing work. This is what happened. You send 500 to Champion Discount, okay, right here. Your name gonna go in this box right here, box number 2, for you to send this flyer out, okay? So you put your name, your address, phone number. If you want your phone number there, let me know, okay? Or it could be your email address. Simply fill this information out here. Name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, okay? And here's some checks and balance. When I receive a package, okay, and I get this information here, and your name is in here, I know that this comes from you. So I'm going to call you, or I'm going to email you and ask you, have you received the package? If you say no, I will put the person information here together, put their flyer here together, but I won't send them till you confirm to me that you've been paid. And I ask you to do the same thing. If you receive a package, because the mail runs at different times, we don't know where they're gonna send it to, when they're gonna send it, right? So if you receive a package before I do, you just simply call me. Let me know, hey, I received the package from Terrence. Okay, have you received it yet? I'll say no. And then what I'll do is I'll just put it together, you know, and wait till I get my package, because you just got yours, and I send it to them. That's amazing, people. But this is so simple, so easy. It's such a beautiful flyer. Also, again, each time that someone gets started, it helps support my prison ministry. If you want to see that, go to www.4 and the letter P in ministry.com, and you'll see me there, and you'll see what the amazing things that we're doing there. But that's it, people. That's the Cowboy 500. Yeehaw! That's what I'm talking about. All right. And again, imagine 50,000 in 1 year or more. You can do it. All you got to do is what I call mush, and that means mail until something happens. Keep mailing, keep it going. Hey, look, come get your $1,000 in grocery coupons, your fast food, restaurant coupons, all for joining me here. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is, where you are. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get. Get this cash cow money maker, okay? Get your 8-day, 7-night trip. Hey, things are letting up around the country. People are starting to travel more. You're gonna get personal coaching from me, all right? I'm gonna help you with a marketing plan. That's why I say you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. You can go to cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. Look at the Cowboy flyer or any of the flyers that we have there. God bless.